Hey folks, Robert H here. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my day trading setup. As you can see on the left, that's a Vertagear chair, similar to Andrew's, good neck and lower back support. The whole thing actually reclines so you can sleep in it. I'm going to try that out in the summer months. On the right here is a glass whiteboard used for keeping track of things, reminders, goals. My daughter loves drawing on it, which is good as a distraction when she comes to visit me while I'm trading. In terms of the screens, 4 ultrawides, 29 on the left and right there in portrait mode. Those are kind of just mounted to the wall, save space. The middle ones are 34-inch ultrawides. The top is flat. The bottom one's curved, which really helps in terms of peripheral vision on a panel this large. The desk, nothing fancy, just an Ikea desk. A little subwoofer down there, floor mat, keep my feet warm. And as you probably noticed, the desk is backlit. I can change colors, cycle through whatever mood I'm in. If I want to switch up the scenery, that's really useful. Just going to turn it off for the rest of the video. Here's the little powerhouse. This is a little mini PC, sits behind the monitors here. It's really small, probably 5-6 inches tall. But it's a powerhouse. It's got an i7-7700, GTX 1060, 32 gigs of RAM, bunch of SSD and NVMe storage. In terms of DOS layout, each one of my stations or terminals has a 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart, and 15-minute chart. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 up here. This one's tied to my Trade Ideas scanner. Those are connected. Then I have the chat room on the right, SPY chart, calculator, Excel sheet for number crunching, little browser down there. Peripherals, just a basic cordless mouse. My keyboard's mechanical. You probably heard the clicking and clacking in my videos, but it's custom color coded for the commands that I use, navigating time frames. Green is for long, red is for short. The whole thing sits on a gaming mat. And that's basically a tour of my setup. Thanks for watching, everyone.